And then for these sinks and these sink switches, what you need to do is use that foam rubber. That is different to the other ones what we normally use because they're the clicker. Silicone around that, yeah. And then what we do is get silicone around this one. Pull that on there. Got an audience this morning. Audience with Michael. Plenty of silicone on there. Straight through the hole. Screw it on. Busy day today, yeah. Too many people, isn't there? Huh? Plaster is here, wants to go home. It's Friday. Tighten it up. See this waist here? This one's tweaking to one side for when this pulley comes up and down, up and down. I don't really like them, but that's what we've got. Wipe the silicone off. Beautiful. Job done. Best tile bits on market, £15 pack of packaging. These are one of the hardest porcelain tile known to man, these, yeah. One. Two. That's 3 tiles, less than a minute. Pack of 10, £15 into my PayPal, which is on front of my page, and I will post them out. Recorded delivery, bish bash bosh. Don't forget to like, share and follow. I only deal in facts, not fiction, as you can see. Can't do any more than what I'm doing already. And they are beautiful. Yeah. Beautiful. Bush. Josh. Tyler got a bit carried away here. Gone a bit too tight.
Never need it. We're on a mission from God.
We're on a mission from God to get finished, never mind no how.
You can punch your finger. That's it.
Elbow mark, please. Thank you. Oh, baby. That's tight. That is tight.
2 brothers who grew up in an orphanage. And they're going to shut the orphanage down. So one of them gets his brother picked up. His brother picked up from a cop car in prison. It's just like fucking stupid thing, but carry fish is in it. Carry fish. Ray Charles in it. Yeah.
This is like surgery.
It's fucking so daft, it's funny though.
Well, this is a bit more serious, like, but on Netflix there's something called 3 Identical Strangers. It's about...
Violence is not the answer.
It's about...
Pass me smokies
3
on that,
brothers
please.
who didn't know they existed. And it's only because they saw one on...
Smokies on that. Right.
And so them 2 get together and it gets in newspaper in the first one season.
I'll ask them to something on Netflix now called Saltburn.
Thank you. That's 6.
I thought it was something to do with Saltburn up in
Oh, that's tight. It's still too tight.
Not lose, but to create the old rubbish has gone. It's had to waste so much money.
So how confident we are with the tiling.
Just tell me what things fully, I won't say about 50.
Yeah. I only watched Cool Runnings the first time last year. Yeah.
Kiss my look at him.
Sanka, you did.
Yeah, man.
What do you think, lad? Is it John Bullushy or James Bullushy?
It's John Candy.
Come on. Now that is what we're talking. Get that the opposite way and it'll be beautiful like a job in town. There we go, beautiful. Nice tidy. Gonna go straight up there into his sink on the back of the wall. And there we go, beautifully done. Now we stick the drawers in, sinks on. No, I'm just filming. There we go, another beautiful bathroom done. By MJC Kitchens and Bathrooms, as you can see, everything's spotless to the treat. These, I think, are one of the best units I've ever done. It is beautiful, that. Absolutely beautiful. Spectacular. I love it. The quality of this, that is one of the best I've ever fit. I like it. I like it a lot. It's just beautiful. Beautiful. And there we go, we'll leave it spotless like that. Because we're still on a building site. Needs to be kept spotless. But just as long as we leave it spotless, it don't really matter. Do you know what I mean? Bish bash bosh, don't forget to like, share and follow. Look at that. See that? That tray, pristine. Glass, shower, everything. It is just beautiful. And that is why you employ MJC Kitchens and Bathrooms, because the finish is second to none. Don't forget, like, share and follow. And if you want any work doing, my email's in my front of my page. Just email me or get straight onto my trader and give me a call. Bish bash bosh.